Hey, good afternoon, class 59. This is a Wednesday evening. I'm making a video for you, making a class for you. And we're going to check our homework, for the last time. So uh, let me check your workbook. So we need to start with our workbook. If you don't have the workbook, stop it, pause it, and go get your workbook. For listening practice on the social study, you need to listen and write this exercise. My workbook for this part is yellow, but the CD play is red. So I don't know your book is yellow or red， 因为每一本书它可能出版时间不一样。那我听 CD 是 red，OK？So 我不知道你有没有听哦。OK，so let's go and finish our answer. My name's Rosa. Today I'm at the fire station with my what? School class. Okay. This is Mr. Lewis. He's a firefighter. And now let's look at Mr. Lewis here, right? And we're gonna put the answers here. I'm gonna be able to write. So, so here we're gonna write Mr. Lewis. So his uniform is red and yellow. Look at me. I'm in the fire truck. And the fire truck is yellow. Okay. And this is the real fire truck, firefighters what? In here it said on my head. So I had to helmet. Look at here. You have answer helmet. And let's see if I can. And is on my head, and the fire what? Station is gray. So that's is okay, we're gonna start reading it. You ready? Okay, my name's Rosa. Today I'm at the fire station with my school class. This is Mr. Lewis. He's a firefighter. His uniform is red and yellow. Look at me. I'm in the fire truck. The fire truck is yellow. No, I think we're gonna do red. Like I told you, it's red. Okay, and there is a real firefighter's helmet. Okay, look, it's on my head. The fire station is gray. Okay, so we learned about firefighters last time. So today we're going to Unit 9. So Unit 9 is talking about lunchtime. Lunch 就是午餐 lunchtime. What do you have? 所以我们今天要学的 grammar。What? Oh, not this one. OK， 我们今天要学的 grammar 就是 I have 我有，那这个有就当做吃，我吃一个，我有一个东西，等一下要吃。So I have a what？ 所以你要回去看你的 lunchtime 给你什么？来换一个颜色写。Let's do dark blue. Okay, I have a banana. So let me do it. Okay, I have a banana. Okay, 那你有可能会加 and， 那有的人会带个 apple 回去，带 apple 去吃 apple。哎 ，OK， get a period。 然后呢，我们的 some 呢，在这个时候我们要加很多 ，so I have some SANDWICH，CH 要加 es， 所以要念 sandwiches，OK。那如果你要变成我没有的话呢 ，you say I don't have，I don't have what？I don't 一样嘛，跟上面一样。I don't have a banana， or I don't have an egg。但是呢，我们课本好像没有教，OK， 那 teacher 先教。如果我没有 sandwiches， 我们加一个 any sandwiches。再讲一次 any sandwiches，any sandwiches，any sandwiches。I don't have any sandwiches. Right. So this is our grammar today, and we're gonna go look at our class. Okay. So repeat after me. 跟着我念 lunchbox, lunchbox, sandwich, sandwich, drinks, drinks, apple, apple, banana, banana, cookie, cookie. OK， 那我们来看from sandwich to cookie， 我们把它改成 some sandwiches。OK， go with me. Ready? Go. Some sandwiches, some drinks, some apples, some bananas, and some cookies. Okay. Now we got it, right? So we're gonna do the reading part. Ready, go? It's lunchtime. Oh no, I don't have my lunchbox. Okay. I have 2 sandwiches and 2 drinks. Here you are. 所以我们的 here you are 就是在这里 ，OK？ 所以在这里 ，OK？ So here you are, 再一次 here you are 在这里 ，OK？ Now, thank you, Tim. I have an apple, but I don't have a banana. Choose one. So, oh, I'm sorry. I have an apple. I have a banana. So this girl has 2 things, an apple and a banana. And 她叫她 choose one. Choose one. So apple, banana. Which one do you want? 那你猜得出来 choose 是什么意思吗？就是选一个你要的。All right. And so Rosie goes, thanks. The apple, please. Okay. Number 4. Look, now I have 10 sandwiches, 6 drinks. Please have some on my lunch. Okay, so she doesn't have lunch. She forgot her lunchbox. And then she got so many sandwiches and so many drinks. And she wants everybody to come to eat with her. Okay, that's very nice, right? OK， 那我们现在你应该把它暂停一下，然后再把课文念一遍。OK， 那我就不跟你们再念一次了。那我们现在来看看我们刚才 teacher 讲的 grammar. I have 2 sandwiches, and then the girl said, I don't have my lunchbox. And then this girl said, I have an apple. 所以你也可以把你的 don't have 写成 do not have. So say one more time. So if we want to change number 2 picture number 2. Picture number 2. You're gonna say, I do not have my lunchbox. Okay. How do I get this hand? It's cool. All right. So now we're going to go here and you're gonna write it. I don't have a drink. Again, you can say I do not have a drink. A drink, 一个 drink， 一个饮料，你也可以说 drinks。如果你有2个饮料 ，2 drinks， OK？ Alright, so look at the picture, lunchbox. So you want to say I don't have or I have. Your answer should be I have a lunchbox. Number 3 is cross, guys. So you're going to say I don't have a lunchbox. Number 4, the boy say I have a banana. Okay, so this girl, number 5, this girl has 2 hands holding 2 drinks. So you say I have 2 drinks. Number 6, forgot my apple. So you say I don't have an apple. Okay, so here 在这里呢，你是要来跟自己和或者是我们现在就来练习啦 ，OK？ So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 这里 Okay, if I say I have a sandwich, I don't have my lunch. I don't have my lunch. I have a sandwich. Who is I have a sandwich? So it's number 6. Because number 6, I have a sandwich. I don't have an apple. Okay. Now this one. I have an orange. I have an orange. Anybody have an orange? Okay. No. So we need to say I don't have an orange because number 4 have a banana. I have a banana. Okay? So number 4, I don't have an orange. Alright. A drink. A drink. A drink. Number 5 had 2 drinks. So you need to say I don't have a drink. So you say number 1. Make sentence. I don't have a drink. And it's number 1. Picture number 1. Alright. A lunchbox. A lunchbox. Everybody has a lunchbox. Okay. So a lunchbox. Say 没有 lunchbox. I don't have a lunchbox. I don't have, say 没有 lunchbox. Everybody has a lunchbox. I have a lunchbox. Number 2. Sorry. An apple. So who has an apple? Who has an apple? Nobody has an apple. And number 6, say, I don't have an apple. That will be number 6. Okay. And I have a banana. That will be number 4. Okay. 那你回家功课要把这个做出来。例如说 I don't have a sandwich. That's number, and then you go number 3. So write this one. Okay. 那这个是我们1到2 lesson 1 and 2。我们今天要先在这边 we're gonna stop here 暂停一下 and then you're gonna watch the second video. Okay. I see you later. Bye bye.